Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by removing batteries and powering the unit down. Once the case is open, you want to inspect the switch assembly and circuit board closely under good light. Look for corrosion, torn copper traces, detached flex, or a dirty conductive pad. These are the usual culprits. Use a magnifier and a small brush to clear debris, and make sure screws and separators stay organized so reassembly is straightforward. This first check determines whether cleaning, soldering, or a replacement part is required. You now clean and test the actual switch contacts. Start by applying high-purity isopropyl to a swab and gently removing grime from pads and the rubber keypad underside. Once done, let it dry completely. If the conductive white or black coating is worn, replace the rubber pad or apply a conductive ink repair pen. Make sure alignment is perfect. Next, use a multimeter in continuity mode to check traces and switch closure. This confirms whether you must solder a broken trace or change parts. You finish by repairing any physical damage and verifying function. If you found a broken trace, tin it, apply flux, and solder a small jumper wire. For lifted pads, use a patch or copper foil to recreate the path. Reinstall the cleaned or replaced keypad, align guides, insert fresh batteries, and test every button before tightening screws. If a button still fails, replace the switch membrane or donor module. As a troubleshooting tip, if intermittent operation persists, recheck solder joints and contact pressure first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.